Hello everyone, welcome to our first HTML tutorial, and in this tutorial we learn about heading text. Let me give you an example. Whenever we open a website, we see that two kind of fonts are available there. First is big and another is small. Now it's mean normal size, and this is called heading text. The one big is called heading text. There are six kind of heading text. Let's see in VS Code. Okay. Okay, let's run it. This is our heading tag. You can see here. This font is also big like this, but its font is different. Okay, let's create how many heading tags do we have. Basically we have 6 heading tags. Okay, now run it. You guys can see we have 6 heading tags, and each tag is decreasing its size by number. First tag is big, another is small, then small, then small, and 6th one is most smallest. Okay, so let's try to create a 7th heading tag. What will happen? Okay, this is our 7th heading tag. Run it. You guys can see we have 6 heading tags, and each tag is decreasing its size by number. First tag is big, another is small, then small, then small, and 6th one is most smallest. Okay, so let's try to create a 7th heading tag. What will happen? Okay, this is our 7th heading tag. As you guys can see, let me just zoom it. As you guys can see, this is big, then smaller, and 6th is the smallest, and the 7th heading tag is out of the box. It does not affect that it has heading tag because it does not consider as a heading tag. Okay, so try to do some change. Let's try to change its color. Okay, so let me just add a style tag. Style tag basically is email tag which is used to style. Okay, h1 is 2 color. Let's check aqua color. Okay, now we see that our heading text color has been changed. Okay, by this we can change our heading text color. More we learn about later. Okay, so let's meet in another video.